Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you that will show you how to make a landing page and a list in Getresponse. Just before I do so, there's a link in the description down below that will take you through to a free trial version of Getresponse. So if you haven't tried it before, if you want to give it a go, click that link to do so for absolutely free. Once you've logged in, you'll be on this dashboard, which looks a little like this. You may have some different widgets and stuff in front of you, but you should have the general overview. So the first thing, obviously, that we need to do is to make a landing page. Now, if you head into the top left, Tools, you can see that on my Quick Actions bar, it's also there for me. But if it's not for you, under Tools, and then you will make a landing page. Now, luckily for us, it is a template-based system. So when you first do this, when you first log in, it'll take you through the wizard. But for me, I've made one before. So I'm going to just hit that button, create landing page, and you can see that there's a bunch of categories on the left-hand side. Now take some time, browse the different templates that are available, find one which closest resembles the landing page that you're looking for, and then give that a click. Once you're happy with it, if you've, found a kind of general overview and general layout that you're a fan of, forget about the images and things like that. You can swap them out and replace them very quickly. It's just a kind of layout and overview, like I said, you're kind of looking for. So you'd customize this landing page. You'd sort of replace the text and stylize it how you want, replace the images and all the rest of it. Make sure that you're previewing it. Create a mobile version and then preview it on mobile. The vast majority of your traffic will come from a mobile source, okay? So make sure that you do so. Hit next step in the top right hand corner once you're happy with that. And then, it's just prompted us to make sure that we make that mobile version. And then once you're on this page, it allows you then to give it a title, description. Make sure that you do so based on SEO terms. There's tutorials on the channel about that kind of stuff as well, so give that a look. It'll ask you then for a URL. You can select from a drop down there, kind of some basic ones. Subscription settings, and then once you're happy with all of these settings, then double check that you've got everything that you need selected. You can hit publish, and then that will create the landing page. So that's the URL for it. So you can use a redirect, or you can embed that somewhere, or do whatever you want with the address for it. You can view it at this point. So if I give it a quick preview, you can see that it's correctly worked, and there it is. And that's it. So that's how to create a landing page. And as for a list, back to the dashboard, and you can see that we've got contacts here on the top. If you click that, and then you should automatically arrive at your lists page. So if you haven't, make sure you click lists, and then create a list button is right there. Give it a name, so you can call it anything you want. For today's purposes, I'm just going to give it a test. And obviously I've got one in the background called that already, and that's created that list now. And then to add people to that list, add contacts, you just hover over those three little dots on the right hand corner, and then add contacts to the list. Email address and name is required. Make sure that you've got their permission, of course, and then add that contact right there. And that's it. That concludes the video tutorial. If you've enjoyed the video, then you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe. Don't forget now to give Getresponse a go. Click that link in the description down below. And if you've got any suggestions for future videos or any questions or anything like that, leave them down below as comments. Thank you very much.